Ah, it's so hot I can't breathe out here. I started working on this weeks ago, and then it started pouring rain. Can't do concrete in the pouring rain. So it slowed me down for a few weeks. The nice thing though, is this filled up with about 100 gallons of water. So I can use this for the concrete. Oh, good. Oh, great. What do I do with all this cement? Okay, here's a quick tip for the ladies. If you have a special guy, a husband, boyfriend, whatever, and you ever see him working out in the hot sun, take him a drink. Doesn't have to be anything special, just a cup of water. Doesn't need a lemon in it, doesn't need ice cubes, doesn't need a special cup. Just bring that man a cup of water. He will think you are some kind of angel brought to him from the heavens. Oh, and just in case there's a feminist out there who thinks women should be out in the sun slaving away and the man should be bringing her the drink. Oh, yes, please. Yes, I will take that. 100%, I will take the deal. Oh, that is so good. That looks so nice. Oh, now I can figure out what I want the building to be. Oh, I've got a bunch of different ideas. Oh, I get to pick which one. Oh my gosh. 1 story, 2 stories. Oh, so many options. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh yeah, and the clouds come out now that I'm all cooled off. Yeah, thanks guys. Where were you like 3 hours ago? Oh, I can't believe I just stepped in it. Oh God. Whatever, I'm leaving it.